Wow, this is falling sky resort. I'm enjoying the place as you can see here, the falling sky. Wow, people are enjoying the falling sky resort. I hope all of you can come but not forget what you are swimming. We have tourists, we have to go around, we have entertainment. And right now, we are at swimming point.
So guys, we have so many activities here, and today we want to first show you the swimming activities. And
Yes.
I hope I will not, I will not die here.
You will not die, you
You'll
just
go-
enjoy.
Wow. So guys, there I'm just trying to inquire whether I will not get a problem. You know, in everything you do, you need to consult. I'm now sloping down to do the real activity. I'm going to remove all these clothes, then I'll change. I think I'll leave only the track. Then I want to change to white. Then I enter inside there and we try to swim together. Come with us, guys. So that is how beautiful this resort is. And I'm telling you guys, I think it is high time for you to bring your staff here, to bring the learners, to bring your school, your company, and even you can come alone, come with your friends, and this is how we are trying to enjoy the life here in Falling Sky Resort, One Island View. As you see, guys, let me remove the shoes. I found pictures, doing whatever they want to do. You know, it is really enjoyment. I always see people down there in Teso. They now have a song that is trending. Chamuso ne poto poto jalo. So you need to come and we do this together. Then there is this one, Jaso Boru. So guys, I think it is high time for you to come and really enjoy. I am first of all sketching. I was feared. My fear first of all, even the first video, the video that you first watched, I saw this place, but I was not told whether people swim from there. But this time around when I came back, I got people swimming. And I think I am now here to answer the comments where people said which activities are done in this beautiful place. So that is one of the activities. Swimming is one of them. Mountain climbing is one of them, and we did it as you're seeing it, the mountain climbing. Then the other one is bathing, is another activity. Then another biggest activity that everyone has. So everyone needs to enjoy is eating. I think you guys saw me having a serious breakfast here in Falling Sky Resort here in Wanale View. And eating is one of the best activities. You know, sometimes when you eat outside, you will really enjoy a lot. So guys, as I'm seeing people there, hey, you know, I'm first of all trying to see whether I can also be there. You know, in a place you first need to know, for you to be secure, to know whether you will be safe. That's why I am up there, first to see whether it is possible for me also to enter there. But I've seen kids are there. I am seeing everyone. And by the way, these are Indians. This one is an Indian company. And we have even our ETSOs are there. We have people from Lango mixed there, like a boy called Simon. You saw him. He's from Gulu. So the company brought the whole staff to come and enjoy and relax from here to create a team. You know, it is not easy to create a team outside there. That's why people say, my workers leave, my workers are not ready to work. But sometimes, once in a while, if you come to such, bring them to a place like this one here, share with them from here, they will really enjoy the place, I'm very sure. Wow. So guys, those are the things that I needed the people to know outside there. You know, in life, you really need to do what you are supposed to do. So guys, as you're seeing, boys are there, girls are there, people are swimming. And one thing I need you to know, this water is very fresh because it comes from the source that is on top of Mount Elgon. And still this is Mount Elgon, but this we are not on top there. We are almost reaching on top of it where there is a source of this river here that I'm trying to show you. And when you're in this resort, the river changes from this place. We shall call it now a talking river. Why is it called a talking river? It is because if the moment you enter to this resort, you'll never you're going to feel the sound until you leave this place. Your ears will always feel the sound of water until you leave the place. That's why it is called talking river. Hey, brother. Kalau you, kamu nani ali mo ni ane. Saya beda video lah tinggal. No. Alright. You want to try to do this activity here. You know when you come here, you really enjoy the water. I'm told this river here comes from Mount Elgon up there. This is the serious river, and I want to try the mountain climbing activity, which is one of our activities. We are going to try to go there. Just like I told you that. Oh guys, welcome to the channel. Now after swimming, this is where you can come and you get a small sunshine, because you all know that we are on top of the hill, one of the view here in Mount Elgon, where you have get a resort called Falling Sky Resort here in Wanal. Now we have so many activities that I've told you guys. I've enjoyed swimming. I don't know the last time you tried swimming. Now guys, after swimming, you will now come here and you get some little sunshine. Because remember, the principle of altitude, the higher you go, the cooler it becomes. And getting sunshine up here is not easy. But this is the best way you can come and now get a little sunshine after a minute. So if I'm to ask you, what is the major activity here in Falling Sky Resort that you've seen? Leave it in the comment section. As you've seen, there are so many activities here. You're seeing people swimming, you're seeing people having their time, they are now relaxing as you're seeing. Now guys, I want to dedicate this video to all people outside there, more so to schools. When we talk about tour, yesterday I was sharing with someone the video and someone was like, hey, what are the importance of this video to our students here in Uganda? Guys, I want to dedicate this video to all SS teachers, all the primary learners, all the secondary learners, those ones who are attempting geography. I believe when we come here, we always talk, we have location of Africa, and when we talk about location, you will at least get something under location in this area here. Then you go to the next topic called physical futures, where you're talking about the hill. You don't see the hill guys up there. You are talking about lakes and rivers. Are you not seeing a serious river where people are enjoying? So please, then we have a lot of things. We have the reservoirs, we have so many things in that topic called physical futures in Africa or Uganda, and here we are in Uganda. We really need to enjoy our physical futures that God really gave us. Now after that topic, you go to a topic called vegetation. Not even vegetation, let's first talk about climate. When you talk about climate at least, you will be able to know so many things. We always say the higher you go, the cooler it becomes. But we just talk about this because you see in just a book, but you don't understand what I'm talking about. When we're in MBALE down there, we're not experiencing the coldness. But when you come here, that is when you will now realize that the higher you go, the cooler it really becomes. We are here in the higher altitude of Mount Elgon, and guys, guess what? You will be welcomed by this resort called Falling Sky Resort here in Wanale View. That is where you can experience the higher altitude of Mount Elgon.